For today's demonstration of terminal commands, let's first open the terminal. The opening prompt highlighted on the terminal is of regular user represented by $sign at its end. This command with password will get one to root user prompt ending with #sign. Alternatively, one can directly access the root user prompt without password by prepending sudo to earlier command as shown. This command in root user will let the user to set the password for root user for using it to do away with sudo. Now let's create and edit a basic shell script with .sh extension for simple text printing on execution. The first line in this file is called shebang. It indicates the path. After writing the file, save it with Ctrl+O followed by Enter. Exit it with Ctrl+X. Now enter this command to execute the script. Remember that this execution is irrespective of execution permission. The absence of execution permission is discernible from the failure of this command, which would have been successful otherwise. To confirm the status of execution permission, run this command, which in this case is showing that the permission is with root only. Now, for changing the set permission, one first needs to change ownership of the file to the user, which in this case is Pride and Paul. This command will do just that. Now, change the permission as shown here and execute the script directly as shown without using bash. Command shown here for printing text on shell has already been demonstrated in an earlier video. This is just a recap before delving further into it. Now, for printing text in color, one may use this command with required text color reference, which is 31 here for red text color. Similarly, for color background, one may use this command with required background color reference, which is 42 here for green background. For color text on color background, one may integrate the earlier commands into one as shown here. This command here merely meant to inform different text color references. This command here merely informs different background color references. Before moving on to string variable assignment operation in shell, this command failure is meant to differentiate a quality operation, which is a look-alike to the earlier mentioned one of our concerns here. Now for string variable assignment and execution on shell, one may run these two commands as shown here. Here is an alternative command for executing string variable as assigned earlier. This command shown here is to remove the variable that has been set earlier. Now, with this command, a shell script is created and edited here to demonstrate variable usage in scripts. This script here is basic for printing string variables in shell. Here on executing the script, one may easily notice how string variable assignment operation has worked in this case. Now, here's an alternative way of assigning string variable that works equally well. The command here is just to count the length of the string. Finally, the second last command here is meant to show path to current shell environment variable. Similarly, the last command is meant to display the name of the shell that is currently running. Hope this video so far is found helpful. If so, please do like the video and subscribe to this channel to get instantly notified with upcoming videos like this. Thanks for watching.